Okay, so here is what we are doing. We had to remove the front panel of the dryer, and to do that we had to slip a blade in here and pop it up, and pop that up, and then undo these two screws from the top so that we could lift the top up and out of the way. Then we found that this bearing, which was over here, is worn on the inside of its the bearing. The shaft is good, but the bearing is this here part of it. But on the other side, we flipped the bearing around, and now it's much more stable. This is the bad one here, and you can see it's got rattle to it, but it's more stable now. So we're going to put it back together, and to do that we have to put this idler tension pulley back into its spot. And then the belt goes through here. And onto the motor shaft, but we need to put the drum back in so that we can position the pulley. The pulley just kind of sticks in these holes, and there's nothing that holds it other than the tension. All right, so let's put the drum back in place. And there is the drum. Okay. You see this felt liner gasket goes against the inside. Okay. Right now I am slipping the belt over the drum, and then I have to wrestle with positioning the tensioning roller underneath. So just bear with me putting this together. So you can kind of see the pulley has a track on it. Okay. So there you see we have so this pulley should be there. Okay. And this pulley over here should be where it's supposed to be. Okay, so I swapped the two bearings, and everything else looks okay in there. The idler pulley and the belt and the motor, everything's working okay. So I reversed the actually it's the bearing one of the two bearings, the one that was bad, and I moved it to the second position. The primary bearing, I moved that from the second position to the front position. They're the same bearing. And so now it still makes a bit of noise, but it's a lot less than it was. And I'll order up a couple of new bearings for it. Okay, so I went and ordered parts to be able to fix the dryer, and I had to order 2 rollers and 2 tri-clips, I think they call them. They're little nylon pieces that are $10 a piece. It's kind of a rip-off, so I need 4, but I ordered 2 because 2 of the 4 that I have are in good condition. So anyway, the new 2 rollers were $22 a piece. The clips were $10 a piece, and then there was a shipping charge. So the whole thing came to $76 in parts to repair the dryer, and those parts will be here in a week or so. I was just about to buy a new dryer, and I saw that a new Maytag over at Home Depot was $608 for the new version of that dryer that I have. And I figured, well, heck, let me go over, take it apart, and see if I can see what the problem is. So it paid off pretty good, $76 to buy parts and fix it myself versus $608 to buy a new dryer. And then also the time of pulling it out, disposing it, installing the cords and hoses and vents and what have you. So it's a winning situation. Fix it yourself. $76 or $306, $308. Okay, so hope you enjoyed the video, and I will have another version of this video when I do the actual real fix, putting in the new parts. All right, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. See you on that next video.